slide, we have two very important graphs. Let's start on the left. Here we have the evolution of world exports and world GDP after World War II. You can see that both series grew over time. World GDP has grown by a factor of 8 in the last 60 years. This is a remarkable fact. This kind of growth is unprecedented if we think about the history of mankind, which has seen very slow growth of GDP or output up to the 1800s, more or less. But trade has even outpaced this extraordinary growth. The level of exports has grown by a factor of roughly 32 over the same period of time. In this class, we will try to understand why nations trade and try to get a sense of what's behind this large increase. The graph on the right illustrates a positive correlation between the level of GDP per capita, which is taken in logs, and the importance of trade, measured by the ratio between imports plus exports and gross domestic product. Each point in the graph is a country in the world for which we have data on GDP and trade. We see that as we move to the right and up, so as we consider countries that are getting richer in terms of GDP, these countries tend to trade more.